Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how to upload data on Google Drive. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for drive.google.com. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page where all of your uploaded data will be present. Now, in order to separate the files we upload, I will suggest you to first create a folder. In order to do that, click on the New button and then select New Folder from the drop-down menu. Here, type in the preferred name and then access it by double-clicking on it. After that, click on the New button again and this time select File from the menu. Once done, choose the target file and click on the Open button. After that, the uploading progress of the file will be displayed at bottom right corner. Note that the speed will depend on the size of the file. After it is done uploading, you can start uploading the folder by following the same procedure. In order to share this folder, simply click on the arrow icon beside the folder's name and then select Share. Now, a pop-up menu will appear on your screen and you just need to enter the target person's email address in the top bar. You can also copy the link after selecting appropriate settings and then share it on your messaging platforms. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.